All right, let's continue with the next topic, which is fundamental economic questions and gains from trade. And the emphasis is really on the gains from trade. And we already covered essentially the fundamental economic questions, which is what to produce, how to produce, and who gets what is being produced. And those questions, they will all come up a little bit as we talk about free trade. So what you will learn here is, or what I'm going to talk about is, first I want to talk about the beauty of trade theory and a little bit about its historical context. Then I want to introduce to you the father of modern trade theory, which is David Ricardo. Then I want to talk about something which is known as the Corn Laws, which is a little bit the historical context of England at the time during which David Ricardo introduced his trade theory. Then I want to talk next about Thomas Malthus, who was the intellectual rival of David Ricardo, but they were also close friends. Then I want to talk about what Malthus was famous for, and that is known as the Malthusian growth trap. And then I want to go back again to the Corn Laws and briefly talk about how Ricardo and Malthus looked at those economic conditions at the time. And that is a little bit of a historical context up to this point. And then I want to introduce the theory of comparative advantage, and I have broken that up in a couple of sections so that we can go over it step by step. And along the way you will see again some concepts that we already talked about more generally in earlier videos, like the concept of opportunity cost, the concept of marginalism, and that will all show up here again. And at the end you will see that trade theory is really one of the most beautiful theories that were introduced in economics. And I'll just hope that you will enjoy this series of videos and find it useful.